What if you could peek inside any Shopify store, their best-selling products, monthly revenue, traffic sources, installed apps all in one place? That's exactly what SellerCenter's store database lets you do. Let me walk you through the full workflow, step by step. Head over to SellerCenter.io and hover on Store Database in the top menu. You'll see a drop-down with multiple platforms: Shopify, AliExpress, Amazon, Wish, Shopee, and Lazada. Today we're diving into the Shopify Store Database, which is one of the most powerful competitive research tools on the market. Once you're inside the store database, you'll see a powerful search and filtering system. You can search directly by store name or URL, or use the multi-dimensional filters to discover new stores at scale. The platform tabs let you switch between Shopify, AliExpress, Amazon, Wish, Shopee, and Lazada instantly. Basic filters include store category like apparel, electronics, or home goods, number of products, store activity level. Advanced filters go even deeper. You can narrow by monthly traffic, monthly sales volume, Facebook ad spend, whether the store has a public email, and even filter by target country to find the top players in any specific market. The creation date filter is also super handy. Filter for stores under 1 year old to spot rising stars, or 3 years and above to study established brands. The database covers over 2.48 million stores in total. Results are capped at 600 per search, and you can export everything to CSV to build your own competitor research library. Just look at the number 1 result: O'Neill, 9,081 products, nearly 978,000 monthly visits, and 284,000 monthly sales. That's the kind of benchmark data that used to take weeks to find. Let's click into a store: Hexclad Cookware UK, one of the most recognized premium cookware brands on Shopify. You land on the store overview dashboard, which gives you a complete snapshot right at the top. You also get their Shopify theme, social channels, and their core keywords like, already telling you exactly who they're targeting and how. In information, we get the technical breakdown, small catalog, premium positioning, crystal clear brand voice. That combination is no accident. It's a deliberate strategy you can learn from. Now, one of my favorite tabs: product. You can filter by best-selling, newest, or all products. Here's what Hexclad UK's top performers look like. Notice the strategy: they maintain core evergreen products while regularly introducing new bundles and sets. That's how you keep a small catalog feeling fresh without overwhelming your customer. The Live Sale tab lets you watch competitor orders come in real time. Add a store to tracking and you unlock the last 15 days of sales history: peak days, trending products, seasonal spikes, all visible at a glance. Product Analytics breaks down the catalog across 4 dimensions. Hexclad UK's top 5 product types are cookware, pans, and knives, tied at the top, followed by merchandise and sets. Their launch timeline shows 2 clear upload spikes: May and September 2025, most likely timed around key seasonal promotional periods. Since all 73 products come from a single vendor, Hexclad Cookware UK itself, this is a pure brand-owned store with 0 third-party sourcing. Their top tags like BISM and return save eligible 20, then reveal back-end promotional and return logistics strategies that most people would never notice. Here's an underrated feature: installed apps. Hexclad UK runs just 2 apps: Back in Stock, customer alerts for restock and price drop notifications, and Klaviyo for email and SMS marketing. A lean, focused tech stack, and it's clearly working. Finally, the traffic data. Hexclad UK pulls in 630,900 monthly visits, with a steep growth curve that nearly tripled from October to December 2025, right in line with the holiday season. Average session duration is 1 minute 43 seconds, bounce rate at 45.7%, and 82% of visitors come from the UK. Their traffic sources show a healthy mix across direct, paid, social, and referral, a well-diversified acquisition strategy. And that's the full store database workflow in SellerCenter: products, sales, apps, and traffic, all in one place. Whether you're researching competitors or validating a niche, This tool gives you the data to make smarter decisions. And by the way, store database is just one piece of SellerCenter. We haven't even touched ad tracking, dropshipping, or sales monitoring yet. If you want us to cover those next, like and subscribe and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.